Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download OpenAI API keys and connect to Zapier step by step clearly. Visit the OpenAI website. Create an account if you don't have one. Log in to your OpenAI account. Navigate to the API section of the dashboard. Click on the option to create a new API key. Follow any prompts to configure your key settings. Once created, copy the API key to your clipboard. Now, open a new tab and go to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account or create one if needed. Once you're in Zapier, click on Make a Zap. Choose a trigger app for your Zap. Select your desired trigger event. Connect the trigger app by following the on-screen instructions. Next, click on the action step to search for OpenAI. Select OpenAI from the list of apps. Now, you will be prompted to connect your OpenAI account. Paste your copied API key into the designated field in Zapier. Click on the Yes, Continue button to link your accounts. Set up your action step by choosing the appropriate OpenAI action. Configure the action according to your needs. Test the Zap to ensure everything is working properly. If successful, give your Zap a name. Turn on your Zap to start using the integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.